Greetings, and welcome, or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on parables, and today's parable is about the three servant them and what them do with their master money. So listen good. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now, drop one comment below, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 25 from verse 14 to verse 30. Make me say this too. That time there, God kingdom a go come in like one man will go one far place. So in call up in servant them and give them all way own for take care of till him come back. Him give one of them 5 bag of gold. Him give one next one 2 bag. And him give one next one 1 bag of gold. Him give them based upon where they can manage. Then him left go which part him a go. The one we get the 5 bag of gold, him left go a said time and use that 5 bag there, make one next 5 bag of gold. The one we did have 2 bag, make 2 more too. But the one we did get the 1 bag of gold, then do a thing down go dig one hole in the ground and hide the master gold in there. Long after that, the master for the servant them come back and come find out what they went do with him gold them. The one where they get the 5 bag come bring 5 more. Hear him now? Sir, you give me 5 bag of gold for take care of. See, me make 5 more pantapite there. A master say, you do good, me servant. You are one good servant and me can trust you. You take good care of one little sitting. So, me are going to make you take charge of bigger things. Come yam food and dance and prance with me. The one where they get the 2 bag of gold them come to him too. Come say, sir, you did give me 2 bag of gold for take care of. See there? Me make 2 more pantapa where you did give me. The master said to him, say, you do good, me servant. You are one good servant and me can trust you. You take good care of one little sitting. So, me are going to make you take charge of bigger things. Come yam food and dance and prance with me. Then the servant will get the 1 bag of gold. Come say, sir, me know say you are one hard man. You pick where you no plant up and gather where you no scatter no seed. Sake of that, me did afraid. So me hide the gold in the ground. See there, you get what fear own. But the master answer back, you workless good for nothing wicked servant you. So you know say me pick when me no plant and gather when me no scatter no seed. So when make your name put me money in the bank. That way there. When me come back, me would get more money for my money. Hear me now. Take the gold from him and take it, give the one we have 10. Cause the one we have, I go get more. But the one we not have nothing, all we have, I go get take away from him. and take that workless servant here, dash him out which party black like a middle night. And this so people are go ball and grind them teeth the way pain and wax them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.